of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I stand to salute the flag. My hand is on my heart. I know the love inside must be the most important part. Dear God, please bless America and help my friends and me to do the very best to keep our country clean and free.